you doing? If your morning started like mine, you opened up your phone and saw that Ipsy has some changes coming in October. So I was thinking about doing a video on it, and I was getting ready, and then like right after I did my foundation, I was like, you know what, I should do like a get ready with me style video, and I talk about the upcoming changes in Ipsy. If you did get that email, you do know the gist of most of things, but there is one more thing I learned about another subscription option from Instagram that I do not believe was on the email. So if you're interested and want to get ready with me and chat Ipsy, let's get at it. So I'm looking kind of crazy. I have not done my hair clearly. Do I ever do my hair though? I don't know. But I did do my foundation. I used the thing I got in my Ipsy Plus It Cosmetics foundation again, which I really like, but yeah, it's definitely darker than the rest of my body. And I put a little concealer on and my brows, so I need some powder, and then let's get into it. I'm just gonna use like the Becca powder as my concealer brush. So the big change with Ipsy is going to be a price increase. So starting in October, the Ipsy bag will now be $12 per month. So another change I read, I'll open the email in just a second after I'm done powdering, but is we'll now have the option to pick something in the regular Ipsy bag starting in October as well. I love how cooling that powder feels. Okay, but Ipsy, let's get to it. Let me open the email. So it says, important updates to your Ipsy membership. Hi, we're incredibly grateful for your passionate community you've helped us build. Today we're announcing some big changes to your glam bag experience. So here's how your glam bag is better than ever. New, choose 2 products every month. Oh, so it's 2, I was thinking it was 1. Okay, so starting in October you can pick 2 products to receive each month, 1 in each bag. Okay, so you can pick something that you will get in your regular Ipsy glam bag and then your Ipsy glam bag plus. And the next thing, it says new, you get a makeup bag with your glam bag plus. Now your membership also includes a makeup bag valued at $8 every month. I honestly do not need any more makeup bags, but I've heard from you guys like in the comments, a lot of you like wanted them to continue giving makeup bags. In the beginning of Ipsy Plus, they did give like a bag every 3 months or something like that, or maybe it was just in the first bag. This was before I was able to get onto I was like on the wait list before I was able to get Ipsy Plus. So now, yeah, every month you will get a makeup bag. So me personally don't need it, but I'm happy for those who are asking for it. And then it says, get more than $170 of combined value in your bags. This year we're investing more in the coveted favorites and top beauty brands you want, and with our new quiz, less of the ones you don't. So I don't know if this means that they're like making the quiz even newer, if they're talking about like the newer quiz they released recently, where you put like, if you sometimes want something rarely, often, you know that what I'm talking about. And then the last thing it says on here is pick up to 10 add-ons for your bag. Order more sample and full-size products from 100 plus brands at unbeatable prices and always with free shipping. So to be honest, I don't know what the current like limit is. If you guys can enlighten me, is it like 3 or something like that? I'm really bad at like talking and doing my makeup. So I'm just putting on some bronzer right now. Honestly, I feel like they say like it's going to be over $170 for the 2 bags combined, but hasn't the value of Ipsy been, like Ipsy Plus, been over like $160 or around $160 the past few months? So it doesn't seem like it's going to be too different if they're saying it's combined. So about the price difference, the price increase, I honestly think Ipsy already is worth it. Like with just the, getting it now, like paying $10, I am happy to pay $12 already because the value is so good. Like we get full size items, like every single month. I think I'm getting full size items. I got brushes, I've got 2 sheet masks. Like this month I had a great bag. Every month it's consistently really good. So I'm not upset about the price increase. I feel like when Birchbox increased their prices, everyone was like already disappointed with the box, so it didn't make sense. Like, I mean, I still get it, but like I can see like people would be upset because like we only get like small sizes in our Birchbox. And then they increased it from $10 to $15, and like Ipsy, everyone's like loves it. We get full-size items, and they're only increasing it from like $10 to $12. So I'm okay with it, honestly. You guys have to let me know your thoughts down below. And I think being able to pick an item for each. First, I misread that this morning. Like, when I read it like super early. I got up early today. But I thought it was just like you pick one thing for your regular glam bag. I thought like the whole focus was about like just the regular bag, but I didn't realize you can pick something for both the glam bag and the glam bag plus. So that means we'll be picking out a full size item like in the glam bag plus, and I'm guessing it will be like a deluxe size sample for the Ipsy, but I don't know. But I already love everything we get most of the time, so I can't wait for that change. So it's not gonna be next month, but the month after. I haven't been telling you guys what I've been using. So I've been using stuff for my Shop My Stash, which by the way, if you've been following my Shop My Stash series, I'm supposed to update it every other Monday, but I'm extending it a week. I was supposed to update yesterday actually, but since my brother was in town, I just wasn't doing like my makeup normally. Like I wasn't home often, so I want to get more use out of things before I switch them out. But so I use the butter bronzer and light bronzer. I use the Allmar Cosmetics, the Colorette Blush Trio and Fair Light, and I just mix all the shades together. And then my Ofra highlighter in Star Island. So the one thing which I am shocked about, and I already signed up for, is a new subscription option for Ipsy. So far we have the Ipsy Glam Bag, $10, soon to be $12 a month. Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, it's just $25 a month. And now there'll be the Ipsy Ultimate starting in October, which is $50 per month. And they say you get 8 full-size items and 4 deluxe-size items and a makeup bag every month. So that's a lot. And they ask you, since I already signed up, I know, like, if you wanted to keep your other plan as well. And I said yes, because I just want to at least try it out. And I jumped on the opportunity to get it in October because I know with Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, there was a wait list and it was hard to get for me at first. Like I was on there for months. So I guess in October I'll be getting 3 bags. So they didn't even put that in the email. I guess that is just something totally new. Yeah, there's nothing on this. And just to clarify, the price of the Glam Bag Plus will not be changing, so that is good. And they do say that if you want to upgrade to an annual plan before October for the Ipsy, then you can do so, and it'll just be $10 a month, so you'll just pay $100 or $1,200, sorry, for 12 months. So honestly, the $2 a month price increase comes out to be $24 more a month. But if you plan on getting Ipsy for over a year, which I do, and you have the money for it, which I don't know if I do in my budget right now, you could save $24 by subscribing annually now. So you could do that. I think that's really cool that they're giving you that option. Overall, I'm totally cool with the changes because I think they're going to be positive overall. I'm just doing like a super simple look right now. I do have some like videos to film today and I should do something more adventurous, but so yeah, I feel like I said everything already pretty much. I feel like it's not like controversial or crazy or anything to get upset over. So starting in October, your price will go from $10 to $12 unless you upgrade to an annual plan. Ipsy Plus will stay the same. And you now have the option to join the Ipsy Ultimate. So at first I thought maybe this was just like to certain subscribers. Like the way I found out, I was just like scrolling through Instagram this morning and I saw someone's post saying that they signed up for Ipsy Ultimate. I'm like, wait, what is that? And then in their description back to their photo, it said that it's $50 a month and then described how many items you get and everything like that. And I was like, oh, I never got an email like that. And I double checked it, like it wasn't in the email we got this morning. So yeah, I was like, it must just be for select people, maybe people that were with Ipsy the longest. But I went on to my app on my phone, the Ipsy app today, and I was able to join. So they didn't charge my card yet. They won't charge you until like October 1st, I believe, which is really nice. Because at first I wasn't going to join because I'm like, I don't want to pay $50 today for it, but you won't be charged until then. So if you guys are interested in getting the Ipsy Ultimate, I would say definitely sign up sooner than later. I'm not positive, but if it's anything like Ipsy Plus, there probably will eventually be a wait list. I know $50 is a lot, but I'm honestly so curious. I have to join and just see at least for a month or two, you know? But that's a lot if you stay $50 for a year. That's crazy. Oops, I totally forgot to put my new eye primer on. Oh, it's been working really well, by the way. If you guys saw my box video, The Box by Fashion Stuff, the eye primer by Air Atelier, if I'm saying that right. This primer, it really does help with creasing. I haven't had any creasing at all, and I meant to use it today. I have it in front of me, but totally forgot. So I just finished up my makeup off camera because I feel like we covered everything, like, and I got ready so quick. I can see the timer on my viewfinder right now. But what else did I use? Okay, so I used the Thrive Cosmetics mascara that I got in my Ipsy Plus, and it is growing on me. I feel like it is like actually making my lashes look longer, but every time I put my mascara on, it just looks a little messy, like it gets on my lid, so I still have to clean that up, if you can tell. I literally just applied it. And then for my lips, I've been loving this Karl Lagerfeld and Monaco lip liner we got in Glossy Box, right? And then I topped that with the Laura Geller Nude Kisses lip gloss. And I can't remember where I got this. I feel like it's full size and I got this like in an Ipsy or something, but correct me if I'm wrong if you remember. But yeah, anyways, that wraps up the video and the updates for the Ipsy changes. I personally am excited for all of this. I'm excited to try out a new box. Of course, that's always exciting to me. It's very expensive though, so I don't know how long I can continue $50 a month. When they first like hinted at doing this like upgraded subscription, I thought it was gonna be like Box Deluxe and be every 3 months, but nope, every single month, Ipsy Ultimate. And it's weird how they didn't announce that today too. Maybe they are in another way, but if you guys are interested, definitely jump on that. But please let me know down below. Let's have a discussion. What do you guys think about the price increase? Are you okay with it? Are you agreeing with me in that you think Ipsy is worth it? And are you going to get Ipsy Ultimate? Please let me know. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you have any other updates that you've heard about any changes, please let us know. Anyways, I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!